Alright, hello everybody. Oh, hope the stream is this time working because I have been having problems with my ISP. Well, let's hope everything goes alright this time. Anyway, yeah, hello there. Today I'm going to toy with user interface stuff in Godot. So well, I guess I'll just show what I have been up to. Yeah, hello. Last time I was working on multiplayer things and they are more or less alright now. At least like considering where the game is as a whole. But the user interface is really janky, so we'll try to fix that a little bit. Thing is that the game basically has the pixel art thing and then the visual novel thing going, and like I have been having trouble regarding like how the user interface should be like. I have this debug character here that I can use to show things. Also like, well, I kinda have this menu and I have this. But these are like, well, the problem is that you can't really see the top bar, and then also I'm not like super happy about the style. And then, oh, I disabled that kinda, actually. Yeah, let's just enable this. Like 5 minutes ago, I was toying with some animations. Let's hopefully do it. It will do this bouncy thingy. Like that is animations. But these aren't like animated, but like I think this style is probably what I want to go for. Like something simple because the pixel art is simple. And like it's pretty hard to pull off the, like originally I was thinking like maybe it could be kind of like paper kind of UI, but it feels awkward. Also like the UI has like some requirements that are annoying for that look. Let's make it split screen, I guess. But you should make it split screen. Right at the box. Like well, and control like both of the characters. The thing is that like the other character can also join the visual novel part. Let me see what is the options currently. If I make it both players, then like well, the players can like decide together like we are going to play like this dialogue, and then like there's the checkbox thingy that this player has finished reading, but this isn't. Like when both are finished reading, then like it goes forward. Like that is basically the idea of the multiplayer visual novel thing. So that's why these things are here. Or like they show like which characters are participating to the event. So there is this. Like this needs to be shown somewhere, and like this paper kind of UI. So it feels a little bit weird. Also it feels like a little off, considering the pixel art. So that's why I want to go with this look. It will hopefully be alright. That is basically the idea. Alright, let's make it single player again. This menu also like actually has animations, but I disabled them for now so that I can show. Like you can make animations with tweens, but I kinda like the animation player approach, because you can like visually see in the editor like how it's animated. Like you can do it right here. The continue thing, like I guess I probably don't want to. Want to actually have like animation there. Like no matter how subtle it is, it feels a little weird. At least like this. But most likely it's the best if it's just like no animation for this one. Let's see. Now it does the initial bounce, but then it doesn't do it. Like maybe it would bounce something, but like bouncing the text itself feels wrong. But like I don't know what else it could exactly be. Like maybe like bounce the box and then like bounce the text the opposite amount to basically keep it the same, but it might be a little weird. But well, what I basically want to do is like change the style of some of these UI thingies. At least that. And this is the thing where you select like what you do with the debug in PC. So like Godot does have this theme editor thing that basically allows you to easily, or kinda easily, set up like how things look. They are a bit of a mess at the moment. I mean, like, well, mine are. Because I haven't been quite able to decide, like, before this, like, how to do this. What style to go for and so on. I basically put like the top bar thingy in its own scene. Like it basically just just like two things on top of each other. Well, I guess I'll start with this. I'll probably do like different variations for now and then delete the old ones later when I'm done with all this. This is a panel container. What do I want to call it? Well, let's just call it like I don't know, dark panel middle. It was panel container. This will use texture. Those the useless ones. These are just dumped here basically. And this is what we want to use. So we only want the middle part. It doesn't really repeat or anything, so this should work. Like, well, it doesn't have like anything specific pattern. Otherwise you have to set this margin thing is. Well, I guess like, yeah, the edges probably need to be set actually from left and right. Set this to 0 for now. And this also oh yeah, this needs the new one. Okay, so now that has that one, but the text obviously is no good like this. Which style does it use? It uses the default. Default style checkbox, I guess. Checkboxes are only used here on the option screen, so it's probably fine to just modify them. Text color for starters. Just set everything to white. Actually, I'm not sure like what people think of this like black and white user interface, but they are like in the games that have been doing that really well. Maybe I can do it too. Pull it off somehow. You know, that part is good, but the rectangle is. But the rectangle is an image, I think. Yeah, it is an image, so let me see. Where did it come from? Probably something older, but I guess I could just basically make a new one. Let me see. Well, like in a way, I can just reuse this box, I guess. Group layer. Or I can make it square too, like that can also work. Wonder how big it needs to be. Let's make it 32 by 32 for starters. And the other one is 4 pixels wide. I guess I'll just name them like this. I'll just make a new one. Yeah, I already have like these actually. But this also had the problem that they are like the border is too thin, but I can maybe fix that. Let me get rid of the background. Basically, just do something like this. Well, that's a little bit too wide. Oops. It's something like this, I guess. It is thicker for sure at least. It might overflow like the original area, but overall. Duplicate it. And test it here. I'm not sure about the dark border, but we'll see how that works. I'd imagine I might have to put like border around that one too. Alright, let me see. Now we have the check thing is that we can test and then iterate. Again, if the stream has hiccups or anything, let me know. So I can complain to my ISP if restarting the router didn't do enough. Hopefully it did, because I hate doing phone calls and waiting. Most likely they will just tell me to restart it anyway. Anyway, the team. Checked goes here and unchecked goes here. You can probably test it by just checking this. Actually, it's not too bad, but it needs color. We'll just make it green for now, I guess. I'll just do it on the other monitor. Should be relatively simple stuff. Actually, green is Well, probably doesn't matter, but green isn't like the best color for colorblind people. So like blue should be better, so I'll just make it blue. But I would imagine like it's no problem when it has like super thick dark outline and everything. But it's like a good habit to keep the color things in mind. But these have the same problem still, but let's figure out the checkbox and stuff. I guess it looks alright like this, but it needs a little bit of theming. This is probably like the distance between the check thingy and the text. Yep, something like this. Then we need to like adjust this background a little bit. It's probably 4 because it's 4 pixels. Alright, I mean here. Yeah, now look, when we make this colored, when you select it, should work. Let's save those. I guess I can remove that for now. Could as well run and see how it goes. Most likely the selection color is going to be really bad. Well, actually not. Actually, it's not bad. I guess like the it being transparent can be distracting too. But maybe I can add like an option or something later to make it not transparent. And those are good enough. And like, you need to do the same thingy, the option screen. Yeah, I guess I could move a little bit in case you want to see the inspector a little better. Well, I guess we could do the bottom part too since we are here now. And that will basically be like just duplicate the top part basically. And remove some things. And this actually like isn't too bad either. I do like it. This just needs to be redrawn, but that is for later. But I do like the thick lines look. Anyway, duplicate this. Make it bottom bar. Oh. I guess I'll just copy that. Like for now I have the boxes like done like this basically. Have I done the bottom thing already? I guess I have. Then just drag it there. It makes reusing these things a little easier. This is probably... oh, not like that. It just like basically moved. This is margin container. Or maybe it's done with the margin. Yep. These are a little wonky sometimes. Basically the idea is that I want like this kind of gap, and then like if there are buttons or anything, they will like extend a little outwards. Doesn't need these because these are only for the top bar. This would be like a button or something. I'm not sure how I'm going to do this yet, but I'll just leave it like this for now. Well, this probably won't need it because they're nothing separate. I want to duplicate the script too. Yep. Maybe I'll make it something like you can add like buttons with like export thingies basically. The adapter will be much more than a few buttons. Ideally just one or zero. That would be the easy case. And maybe it's actually fine to assume that there is just one for now. Can always change that. Bottom bar or something like that. Honestly, like not a whole lot of this needs to be copied, but let's copy it anyway. Remove almost everything. Let's call it a button. This isn't needed. I guess I can just do it like this. Let's make this a button. Then we need to modify this a little bit. I need to install the button, but for now. For now it's uninstalled because it doesn't have a stall yet. Basically the idea is to allow me to set the text, and if the text is empty then there is no button. It's kinda like there will probably be issues with this, but oh well. As a whole, there probably will be issues with this UI, especially in split screen, because Godot can only have like one control focused at a time. So ultimately I need to cook something really weird to work around that, or hope that they change that somehow in like semi-nearby future or something. But it probably isn't like high priority. But a signal for the button. It just emits another signal. Alright, this is the wrong file. We have never changed this. Okay, this is annoying. I have been modifying the wrong file. Hopefully undo will work. Alright. Probably I'm doing a little bit too much. Can't imagine rename mode. That's where it goes wrong. Well, if I messed up too much, I have Git to get the whole thing from, but hopefully I don't need to do that. Alright, let's rename this. This right one. This looks the same, so hopefully I didn't break anything. That's the right script. Now we'll get rid of this and load this instead. Let me paste this. Alright, it's probably weird because it got copied. Like I've had this like error earlier too. And it's basically, but there are probably other ways too why it can give it, but one common is that you have copied the thing and the signal handler points like who knows where because the copy paste. Now we have everything. Yes, we could make it as a tool script too. Alright, this still has the wrong thing because undo. Another one has the right thing, yeah. Styles. Then fix this too. Okay. No idea if you need to like reload it for the tool script you kick in. Or I guess it just doesn't work because this is also wrong. Okay, now it doesn't say anything, but it doesn't work either. I just basically made it work the other way around. Yep, of course. That explains why it didn't show anything. You know, now you can do what I want. Leave that empty for now and then go here. Instantiate bottom bar. Alright, it needs to stretch that, I guess. But it's getting there. If I didn't have like this weird setup to have them like overlap a little bit, not entirely, then this would be easier, but I want to do this. Alright, let's do a little bit of testing. Oh, that didn't work at all. More like this. Now it's easy to tell that it doesn't do the right thing. Expand. Should do the trick. Or maybe I'll just restore it to the original setup and reset the default text. Okay, now we have that. Just need to style the button, but it's fine. Then we need to do the same signal. It's just on close press too. Connect that there. The close is bottom bar. Then we need to give it the crab focus thingy. Which is one of the nuances that I was thinking of. And most likely I can't even do that. Oh, I guess I can. As long as it's not a button, it can like have this function basically. It just does this. I shouldn't complain, so it's probably good to go. No stream hiccups so far, I assume. Okay, let's see if it blows up. Nope, it does work, I guess. Nope, it just needs the button style at the bottom. Does it work? Okay. Let's give it the animation treatment. Basically just copy paste. It doesn't like exactly need like these tricky things. Like these tricky things are because it. So basically, what the visual novel engine does is that it always hides the text box, and then like if there is another text box, it immediately shows it. But like if you don't like basically check it, then it will make the text box bounce a ton. Menu is probably easier, but it's just this. Oh, it has the focus thing already, so I can just. I didn't need it. It will need the animation player. Like this. Then it will need animations. It might actually be tricky because it has like a dynamic size. Let's see. First this. Create a new animation. Make a default animation first. Which is scale 1. I don't know like if it's enough to just do it with the scale. Alright. I did use transparency for the other ones kinda. This I'll add it for now. Now the default is that well, it is normal size, normal color. New animation. Hidden. Oh yeah, this needs the like this center thing is set basically. Something like that, I guess. But it doesn't really matter because the script needs to change it anyway. But it's good for testing the animation here. Alright. Hidden is scale 0. Modulate transparent. Then we go here, playback options. Give it a little bit of time to transition between them. And just like that, it is animated. I want to do the same thing as for the menu to make it bounce. So basically, just insert a ton of keys. How did I do it for the other one? 1.1 4.95. I want it to bounce like a little bit. .1. This is normal. 4.95. Oh, I forgot to select this. 4.95. Then this is normal. Like it does like this kind of little bounce. Now we hide it and then we show it. And these kind of things are nice to do with Godot because you can't just see them. Like you can do this with twins too. But I like the animation player because I can see it. Also, like if I want to do something really fancy, like there is the option to use the animation tree thingy. But now it should do something, but it will not bounce correctly because it's not centered like the shrink point, because the size of the dialog thingy changes. Also, sadly I need to do it like this for now. But most likely there isn't a better way to do this. Alright, let's see if it blows up. Nope, didn't do anything. No, that doesn't show at all. Well, I guess it kind of blew up. Alright. What did we do wrong? There is default and there is hidden. Focusing. Oh, alright. There's the problem. I guess it's fine to just do it here. Never place it if there is like a button or a checkbox in the list, because it's returned before that. Alright. Okay, well, yeah. It bounces, but the bounce is off. Kinda. All like the bounce is pretty hefty if the box is big. For starters, let's try to fix the position thing here. I wonder if it's like already correct here. Like the size, but I kinda doubt it. Kinda doubt it. How do you even like know the size? That size, I guess. Let's see if it works, but I'm pretty sure this won't work. Like, yeah, these items are added as children, but I don't know if it updates the size yet. There might be like a way to defer it. Actually, like the lazy way is to just like do it in process, I guess. Let's see what it says. That seems pretty sus. It is way taller than it is wide, but it says that it is super short. Pivot offset or something like that. Not sure how it's exactly pronounced. Size divide by 2. All deferred. Let's try this. Now we should call it at the end of the update phase. And I'm not sure like if that is enough either. Nope, it's not enough. Like now it bounces correctly because it has already seen it once. One thing I don't know is like, is there a signal or something for the size change? Would probably be control if there is. Resized. Emitted when the control changes size. In other words, resized. Well, that is a failure, so we can just remove it. You would think that this would be used for this, but you never know without testing. Oh, it works. Okay. But the player character could also like use a different curve, but it's probably fine. The timings also might need work because I'm pretty sure people will find it annoying if it's too slow. Alright, you can still use the bicycle while chatting with people. It's not ideal. I guess this thing works apart from the button. But yeah, this is like my debug tool, by the way. Like you can like do the different thingies with this, like basically test that the cutscene engine does things right. Then like there is this which also needs to be redone. Then there is the CG thing, but I'm not going to press it yet. It is a pretty CG. And there is also this, like the cutscenes can make the characters move. Sound is super loud, so I'll try to not press it. Well, that part does work. Let's put it here. Okay, so the topic thingy does work. Maybe we'll do like one more. Is there something interesting that could be done? But this is probably just like a pretty grindy option screen. Well, why not, I guess. Options are the choice screen, I guess. And there isn't really much more. But this, I guess, but one problem is like, where do I put this? I guess one option would be to put it here, but these tend to be pretty long, so they might need like their own place. Or maybe the option screen, I guess. Option screen is pretty static, so shouldn't need that much coding. Option screen is just this. Now let's add the top bar for starters. Options. The old one isn't needed. Switch this to the dark panel. It's the bottom part. one close pressed. Okay. Connect that. Add a text, which is super tiny for now. Oh yeah, this. This options item. Let me double check how this worked. Okay, I guess it's options label. Okay. It should be pretty easy changes. Options label, colors, make it white. Options item. Not sure if that is used, but let's make it white anyway. Colors probably need to be changed, and these are. Well, this might be fine actually. Yeah, looks alright so far. These are obviously bad, but it's just a matter of drawing new ones. I don't like the separator, but I'm not sold on the styling anyway yet. Maybe it will be just white line. There might also be like a need to add like tabs or something to this. Depending on how much stuff there will be. This should use the checkbox thingy already. Then it's just fixing the script, I guess. We doesn't even use the close button, so maybe it will just work. Well, we'll see. Okay, the coloring is a little bit inconsistent. Like this one is fine. Other one is fine for some and not fine for others. Well, the checkbox mostly very well. Well, let's, for the sake of completeness, make this bounce too. Well, this is, well, I'll need to do those two, and then yeah, this might be kinda annoying. Maybe how to think about these colors anyway. Like maybe the hover thingy could just be darker. Like it would kind of make sense actually. Well, let's make the options thing bounce too, because why not? should be pretty much the same as this one. Up to the screen. Well, hopefully work, I guess. It should work if I just listen, reciting this. So probably want to set like some kind of default anyway, so we can preview it. Doesn't really matter like too closely, just something very close enough. Something like this, I guess. At the animation player, with default. And the scale track. And the modulate track. Hidden animation. Yes. Right there. Blend time. Then make it bounce. And just like that, it is animated apart from the script. Which is just a copy-paste job. Then the animation player tool. Then make sure that we just adding animation tool. Okay, last focus thingy. It should just work. it's really wild, but it should be easy enough to adjust it. There's also a nice part about Godot. Oops, that is going to be a pretty hefty bounce. It should make it milder. Might be a little bit too much still in a row. I guess I'll figure out the button and then like these bars and everything on my own time. And it is well basically what I'm going to do for a day or two. Well, when this is done, then I guess I'll just port all the content from the old version to the new one, and then we are hopefully cooking something nice. It's alright, I guess. Well, I guess the stream has hopefully been stable. So let's quit before it gets unstable, though I hope it doesn't. It seems to have been mostly fine, I guess. Anyway, I'll be off to work on this some more. But well, thank you for watching and for the comments and everything. It was pretty fun. Hopefully it was fun to watch too now, since it wasn't like 100% coding. But well, anyway, thank you for watching and see you. Bye bye.